I take the newly completed Falcon on a road course for the first time. Never done this before in my life. I had a blast, and the car did awesome. Alright, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Ain't gonna lie, a little bit nervous. We're gonna have fun. Huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We're ready. Alright, here we go. Wow. That's crazy. I hear you, sir. They'll be laughing at us. We're going to be so slow. But we're going.
I can pass you on the outside.
There you go. We only slipped out of gear at one time.
That wasn't too bad.
Alright. He's giving her the biscuits off the bat. It's got 600 miles on it since he put it together, and we put 4 of them on it yesterday. And it's popping out a second. No power steering, no power brakes.
Okay, so that's 3 different views of the same trip that I made around the road course. This view right here, believe it or not, was from a young man and his buddy. Since I couldn't get nobody to ride with me that I knew, I come over to my car to go get the car to go around the road course, and these 2 young guys was looking at my car. So I get talking with them. I said, hey, seems like we're friends. One of you want to ride in my car and video it with me? And they're like, yeah. So these 2 young guys that I just met loaded up in my car. We go over there, we get lined up. One of them gets out, one of them puts a helmet on and rides with me, and the other one makes this video at the end of it. That's how cool this old car stuff is that, man, I knew these guys for like a minute and a half. Next thing you know, he's getting in that thing, we're beating on this son of a gun like we ain't never calling it back. Had so much fun today.